Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. Students, in last lecture we did exercise 3 from the topic of coordinate geometry of the circle. Today we will do two exercises. Exercise 4, you can see on your screen, the topic is point of intersection of a line and a circle. It's very easy topic, so we will do only one question because we just solved the equation of line and a circle simultaneously. You have done lot of this question, the type of this question from chapter number 2 in your course book. So see question number 1, find the point of intersection of the line 3x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0 and the circle x square plus y square is equals to 5. Make x or y is the subject of the given equation. Assign the name equation number 1. So 3x plus 5 is equals to y. Put this value of y in the equation of the circle. So x square plus y is 3x plus 5 square is equals to 5. So x square plus 3x plus 5 whole square will expand by using the formula. So 3x is 9x square, 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30x plus 5 square is 25 and this 5 transfer over here, it is minus 5. So 9 plus 1 is 10 x square plus 30x plus 20 is equals to 0. Divide the whole equation by 10. So the answer is x square plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Apply middle term break method to x plus 2 equals to 0. X plus 2 plus 1 x plus 2 is equals to 0. It is x plus 2 x plus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to negative 2 and negative 1. Put these values in equation number 1, 3x plus 5, y equals to 3x plus 5, y is equals to 3 into negative 2 plus 5 and y is equals to 3 into negative 1 plus 5. So 3 2s are minus 6 plus 5 is negative 1 and 3 1s are minus 3 plus 5 is 2. So the coordinates of point of intersection of a line and a circle are when x is negative 2, y is negative 1 and when x is negative 1, y is 2. This is our final answer. These are the point of intersection. This is exercise number 4. Negative 1, 2, negative 2, negative 1. So this is our final answer. Hope you understand. So exercise 1 has finished because it is related to a topic of simultaneous equations. Hope you understand. Now move to next exercise, which is very important in your coming exam. This exercise number 5. The topic is touching circles. What does it mean? What is the meaning of touching circle? First, I will read the question and then I will describe the theory behind this question. Find the center and the radius of each of the circles. So this is not new for you. You can easily find the center and radius. The next is hands shows that the circles touch externally. What does it mean? Kindly wait. First, I have to find the center and radius of both the circles. As you know, this is a general form of a circle: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So for S1, if you compare the coefficient of x to g, it is minus 2, g is equals to negative 1, and 2f is equals to, the coefficient of y is 2f, but in this question there is no coefficient of f, therefore we have to take 0. So f is equals to 0 upon 2 is 0. The coordinates of center are minus g minus f, minus g minus minus plus 1 minus f. 0 is always 0. Now we have to find the radius. What is the formula of the radius of in general equation of a circle? G square plus f square negative c root. Here g is negative 1 square, f is 0 square, and c is the constant term. So circle S1, the constant term is minus 15, so it is plus minus minus plus 15. So minus 1 square 1 plus 15, 15 plus 1 is 16 root, it is 4. So this is S1. So for S1, circle S1, the center is 1 comma 0 and the radius is 4. Note this value. Move to circle S2. The coefficient of x is 2g and is in S2, the coefficient of x you can see minus 14. Minus 14. So g is negative 7. The coefficient of y is 2f. Here the coefficient of y is minus 16. So f is equals to minus 8. Center is minus g minus f. 7, 8. Minus minus plus 7 and minus minus plus 8. Now the radius is r is equals to g square plus f square minus c. What is the constant term in S2? The constant term is 77. The constant term is 77. Square root 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 77. So 49, 64, 113. 113 minus 77. Hence, our answer is, kindly wait, I am calculating. Thirty-six root, and root 36 is 6. So for S2, center is 7 comma 8 and radius is 6. So this is the first requirement of the question. Find the radius and the center of both the circles. Now, the second thing is hands shows that the circles touch externally. What does it mean? See this definition. If the sum of the radii and the distance between the centers are equal, then the circles touch externally. See this diagram. This diagram. The first diagram, D is equals to R1 plus R2. So what you are seeing, if the distance between the center and the sum of the radius are equal. Now check this. First we have to find the sum of radius. Four plus 6, it is 10. Now find the center C1, C2, you can say C2. The distance between two centers, find this. 7 minus 1 is square plus 8 minus 0 is square root. 7 minus 1 is 6, 36. 8 square is 64. It is 100 and it is 10. Now you can see that the sum of the radius and the distance between the centers are equal. You must write as the sum of radii and distance between centers are equal. So the circles touches externally. Shown. This is the requirement. We have to show that both the circles touches externally. So if the sum of the radii are equals to the distance between the centers of the circles, then the circles are always touches externally. So this is question number 1. Hope you understand entire question number 1. Move to next. Show that the circles x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equals to 0, and x square plus y square minus 12x plus 6y minus 76 is equals to 0 touch internally. So first we have to find the center and radii of and radius of both the circles. So 2g is equals to 4, 2f is equals to minus 6, g is equals to 2, f is equals to minus 3. C is minus g minus f. Hope you understand what I am doing. And radius I am doing directly because you know the formula. I have repeated many times the formula of the radius and the center. R is equals to g square plus f square minus c. C is 12 in S1, circle 1. 4, 9, 12. 4 plus 9, 13 minus 12 is 1. And 1 root is 1. Assign the name, the radius is R1. Assign the name, the center is C1. Move to next circle, S2. X square plus y square minus 12x plus 6y minus 76 is equals to 0. Here 2g is negative 12, 2f is 6, and c is negative 76. So g is minus 6, f is 3, and c is minus 76. Now the radius is r is equals to g square plus f square minus c minus minus plus 76. 6 square 36, 3 square is 9, 76. What is the answer? I am not good in addition. 36 plus 9 plus 76. 121. 121. 121 root is 11. Now we have to prove that both the circles touches internally. In previous questions, the requirement was the circles touches externally. So what is the definition? Now see this, the third line. If the difference between the radii and the distance between the centers are equal, then the circles touches internally. And you can see the diagram. D is equals to R1 minus R2. Very easy. Now you have, this is R2. R2 is 11. And center C is C2 minus G minus minus plus and minus F minus plus minus 3. Now find the distance between the centers. C2 is 6 minus 3 and C1 is minus 2, 3. So C1, C2, 6 plus 2 is square minus 3 is square. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 square is 64 minus 3 is minus 6 square is 36. It is 100. It is 10. And you can see R1 we have obtained 1 and R2 we have obtained 11. So the difference R2 minus R1 is equals to 11 minus 1, which is 10. Hence, now you have to write as the difference of radii and distance between centers are equal. Hence, circle touches internally. You can write more probably, no issue, shown. And this was the requirement. If the difference between the radii and the distance between the centers of both the circles are equal, then the circles touches internally. Move to next question. The last question of exercise 5. Determine whether the circles S1 x square plus y square minus 16y plus 32 is equals to 0 and x square plus y square minus 18x plus 2y plus 32 is equals to 0 touch internally or externally. Very easy. Here 2g is minus 16. Sorry, 2g means the coefficient of x. There is no coefficient of x, so 2g is 0. 2f, the coefficient of y, it is minus 16, and the constant term c is 32. So g is equals to 0 and f is equals to minus 8. Coordinate of center, you can say c1 minus g minus f is equals to c1. 0 into minus is always 0, minus f is plus 8. Minus f is plus 8. Now find the radius of this circle. Very easy. What is the formula of the radius? R is equals to, you can say R1 is equals to G square 0 square plus F square minus 8 square minus C 32. 8 square is 64 minus 32. 64 minus 32 is root 32. This is R1. Yes. Now take the second. You can say this is S2. X square plus y square minus 18x plus 2y plus 32 is equals to 0. This is circle S2. So here 2g is minus 18 and 2f is 2 and c is 32. So g is minus 9, f is 1 and c is 32. Now the coordinate of center C, C2 is minus g minus minus plus 9 minus f minus 1 and c constant term is 32. Radius R2 g square plus f square minus c. Nine square 81 plus 1 minus 32. 81 plus 1 82 minus 32. 50. It is 50. Square root of 50 is 5 root 2. And here the square root of 32 is 4 root 2. This is R1 and this is R2. Now find the distance between the centers. C1 we have obtained 0.8 and C2 we have obtained 9 minus 1. So x2 minus x1 is square plus y2 minus y1 is square root, right? So 9 square is 81 plus 9 square is 81. 162 root. Now find the square root of 162 by taking LCM. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 root 2. It is 9 root 2. C1, C2 distance is 9 root 2. Now you can see easily if you add R1 plus R2, R1 is 4 root 2 plus R2 is 5 root 2, so it is 9 root 2. So you can see the distance between the center is also 9 root 2. This shows that both circles touches externally. So if the sum of the radii of both the circle and the distance between the centers are equal, circles touches externally. So student, this is our today's class where we finish exercise 4 and exercise 5. We will do the last exercise which is related to circle touching the x or y axis. No issue, very easy questions we will do in next lecture, and after this we will be doing some more questions which is related to this topic. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.